Welcome to 5.2.3. The seal for this lesson is students will in writing justify how a logarithm function can be transformed using the parameters of the graphing form A, H, and K using language of analysis. Investigation of logarithm graphs. And you guys should be able to do this without me. You just got to think about what you remember from the quadratic form, right? F of x equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k. And the log function works the same way, and you can use a calculator to investigate this. But if you're at this point, I'm going to assume that you have already done this or you are struggling. So the parent function of a logarithm is listed right here. My little pen ready. Okay. So the parent function is right here. Okay. And with this parent function, I want to add a, b, h, and k. This little b is weird, right? This little b is going to be a little bit weird, something we haven't really seen yet, but that's okay because we can do it. So we're going to add in here into this line. So we're going to look f of x, and that's going to equal, well, the first thing we're writing is a. A always begins in the beginning of any function, so a goes here. Log parentheses. Alright, so this is going to be that weird spot where b goes today. And b is weird. It's new, and you're going to explore it down here. But here we go, b of x. And then here's h. And h is always inside the parentheses, right? It moves the graph left or right. And the last one is k, and it goes outside the parentheses like always, and it moves the equation up or down. So here's your parent function now. Now you're going to go down here and you're going to figure out what each of these letters do, A, B, H, and K, by putting them into a calculator one at a time. So if I put in a function switching the A, I really want to switch A to like 2, 3, maybe -2 or 3, but that means I want to eliminate B, H, and K, okay? Keeping the X. Equations always have X's in them, right? But if I'm doing just A, eliminate B, H, and K. And when you're done doing those next few questions, you can come back to the next video.